Introducing Powerex SCOOTMATIC 10W30 API SL, a high-performance engine oil specially designed for modern gearless scooters. Formulated with advanced base oils and premium additives, it meets API SL standards and is perfect for all leading scooter brands. Every Powerex bottle comes with a tamper-evident seal, ensuring 100% product authenticity and protection. Notice the oil's smooth texture and clean flow, engineered for effortless cold starts, superior engine cleanliness, and thermal stability. Powerex SCOOTMATIC offers smooth ride performance, enhanced clutch friction control, protection against wear and tear, optimum fuel economy, ideal lubrication in city traffic, and stop-and-go rides. Perfect for all types of gearless scooters, including Honda Activa, TVS Jupiter, Suzuki Access, Yamaha Fascino, and more. At Powerex, we've been manufacturing quality lubricants since 2010, trusted by mechanics, riders, and professionals across India. Want your scooter engine to run cooler, cleaner, and longer? Switch to Powerex SCOOTMATIC 10W30 today. Visit www.powerexoil.com or WhatsApp plus 91 635 3365 665. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real product videos and engine care tips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest update.